This video guides you how to build the demo project. Launch eSquare Studio and open the project you created earlier. Double-click project name.scfg in Project Explorer and then click Board. Select CK-RX65N v2 on the target board, select Dual Bank in Bank Mode, and click Next. Click Next and then click Finish. Click the Generate Code button. When the code generating dialog box is displayed, click Proceed. Next, follow the linked video and do the following. Importing linker_section_sample.esi. Specifying the code generation behavior for Smart Configurator. Checking the toolchain. Checking Motorola S format file. Please refer to the description of the web page for the time of the referenced video. In the Components tab, check to see if any of the fit icons are grayed out. If it exists, click Downloading it to download all the corresponding fit modules. Next, follow the linked video and do the following. Generate code. Build the project. Please refer to the description of the web page for the time of the referenced video. The following video shows you how to run the demo project.